ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे हांव स्वागत करता. ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आम्ही खासा कार्निवलाक लागून दवरल्या. आमच्या मदीं आसात मॅनेजिंग डिरेक्टर ऑफ GTDC श्री कुलदीप आरोलकर, न्यूली सिलेक्टेड किंग मोमो वी आर हॅव्हिंग, आमचे जनरल मॅनेजर केविन डायस, आमचे डिपार्टमेंट श्री जयेश काणकोणकर एंड धीरज वागले. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा कार्निवल ह्या वर्सा फ्रॉम 1st ऑफ मार्च टू 4th ऑफ मार्च जावपाचे आसा परेड्स फ्रॉम पेंजीम, मारगांव, वास्को एंड म्हापसा. सो ह्या संदर्भात डिटेल म्हायती दिवपाक लागून हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आमचे मॅनेजिंग डिरेक्टर श्री कुलदीप आरोलकर हांकां की ताणें तुमकां म्हायती दिवची.
Good afternoon, one and everyone. I extend a warm welcome to all the media representatives and the attendees who are present here. As you know, Department of Tourism in association with GTDC is organizing Carnival 2025 from the 1st of March to the 4th of March. So 1st of March the parade will be held in Panjim, followed by 2nd March in Margaon, 3rd March Vasco, and 4th March Mapsa and Morjim jointly. So the department is dedicated to enhancing and promoting the iconic festivals of the state, and this carnival again promises to be a bigger, more colorful and more engaging than ever before. Then we have a small announcement to make, that is the Purvarim Carnival Committee has decided to not to have the carnival this year parade on the 28th of Feb due to the ongoing infrastructural work along their route, and the decision has been taken to prevent the traffic congestion which can be caused by the ongoing flyover work. We sincerely appreciate the understanding of the people of Purvarim and its committee and encourage them to join the celebrations at other locations, and hopefully they can join us for the carnival celebrations in 2026. I hereby introduce our King Momo for this year, Shri Cleven Matthews Fernandez, who hails from Benaolim village and has been selected as the King Momo for this year. Shri Cleven will lead the parade, spreading joy, inviting everyone to immerse themselves in the true spirit of carnival. The safety and crowd management, we will ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for all the attendees, which is our top priority. Goa Police, along with the emergency services and all the security personnel, will be deployed at all parade locations. A well-planned traffic management system will be in place to avoid congestion. We request all visitors to follow the safety guidelines and cooperate with the authorities and its personnel who are present to ensure a smooth and memorable experience for them. I also invite one and all for the locals, tourists and the global Goan community to join this Carnival 2025 to celebrate our traditions, the music, the dance and the artistic expression. We encourage everyone to participate, enjoy and make this year's carnival an unforgettable experience.
Mr. Cleven Matthew Fernandez. I'm working on the cruise line, promoting Goan culture to the world. I want to give one message to all the Goans. Whether it be Hindu, Muslim or Christian, always be in unity. Love each other and big peace in Goa. God bless you.
पणजीत कसं मॅनेज करणार तुम्ही कार्निवल?
पणजीची मीटिंग ऑलरेडी घेतली आहे.
काय मॅनेज कसं
आमच्या
करणार?
डायरेक्टरने ट्रॅफिक बरोबर ऑलरेडी मीटिंग घेतली आहे, लोकल कमिटी बरोबर पण मीटिंग घेतली आहे आणि त्याद्वारेच सर्व नियंत्रित होणार.
आत्ताची कामं सुरू आहेत, लोकांना त्रास होतोय, डायव्हर्ट झाल्यानंतर कसं मॅनेज
ट्रॅफिक
करणार?
प्लॅन मागीर शेअर करणार.
ऑलरेडी सद्या कामां चालू आसा आणि सध्या कार्निवल आसता थंय इतलो ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता थंय, गाडी फ्लो जावन जायना. तेन्ना कार्निवल आसतले तेन्ना खूबसो
ट्रॅफिक प्लॅन ऑलरेडी हे केला.
नाही होत मॅनेज. आता कामं सुरू असताना नॉर्मल याच्यात होत नाही.
Route will remain the same as it is like last year. The work which is going on MG Road, the officer in charge of Smart City Works has assured that the works will be completed on MG Road by 26th.
फक्त एकच रूट दवरले, MG रोडच दवरलो भायर सरतो.
मी डायव्हर्जन आशिल्ले MG रोडाचे खातीर न्ही. So that works will be, he has assured that
That
it
is
will
being
go
handled by
handled
traffic
by-
department.
Yes.
Police, they are handling this.
ट्रॅफिकाचे केन्ना मीन्स डायव्हर्जन्स केन्ना
Traffic plan share
आना
करू.
You can meet separately to the traffic
तुमकां
department.
शेअर केलं ट्रॅफिक प्लॅन
Sir, every year the carnival, there is always the huge gap is between the floors. So it will be corrected by
That
this time.
instruction has been given during the
We will
carnival
deploy our
committee
own
meeting.
personnel this time in addition to the committee persons, so that the gap
टायमिंग
is not.
3 वाजता सुरू होणार आहे की 5 वाजता सुरू होणार आहे?
That we will declare- we will
एंट्री
declare-
किती येईल एंट्री बघ किती येईल एंट्री ते
Local committee.
कितके फंड्स दिले डिस्पर्स हांकां कमिटी फंड
That we can provide you if you want to provide.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
आहे की